Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Pratmik sample question paper, model question paper. This is for 100 marks. For neatness they give 5 marks. The total time is 2.5 hours. Now we will go to the first question. किन्हीं 5 प्रश्नों के उत्तर एक एक वाक्य में लिखिए. किन्हीं 5 प्रश्नों के उत्तर एक एक वाक्य में लिखिए. They have given some questions. They have given 10 questions. You have to write the answer in one sentence. So we'll go to the first question. हाथ में क्या है? हाथ में क्या है means what? हाथ means hand. क्या means what? What is in the hand? That is the question given. हाथ में क्या है? So we have to mention in hand I have a pen. So that is what we are going to mention. In hand pen is there. So हाथ में कलम है. Pen is in the hand. हाथ में कलम है. That is the answer. So for the first question, हाथ में क्या है? Answer is हाथ में कलम है. Second question, आप कौन है? आप means you with respect. So only it is ending with है. And dot. है. कौन means who. So who are you? आप कौन है? That is the second question. So we have to write I am Gopal. How do we write? I am means मैं and whenever मैं comes who will come. So मैं गोपाल हूँ. आप कौन है? मैं गोपाल हूँ. I am Gopal. So answer for the second question is मैं गोपाल हूँ. I am Gopal. Third question, रवि और करीम कहाँ खेलते हैं? Ravi is a name of the person. Karim is also a name of a person. They are students. So where are kaha means where. Where? Kaha where? Kelna, kelte. Since it is plural, kelte will come. Kelte means playing. Where are Ravi and Karim playing? That is the question given. So we have to write Ravi and Karim are playing in a playground. For playground we say Maidan. For playground we say मैदान in हिंदी. रवि और करीम मैदान में खेलते हैं. रवि और करीम कहाँ खेलते हैं? That is the question. We have to write रवि और करीम मैदान में खेलते हैं. So answer for the third question is रवि और करीम मैदान में खेलते हैं. Fourth question, वनजा तुम कहाँ पढ़ती हो? So Vanaja is a name of a person. तुम, you, कहाँ, where, पढ़ती, पढ़ना is to study. So whenever तुम comes हो will come. So Vanaja तुम कहाँ पढ़ती हो? पढ़ती is feminine. So Vanaja where are you studying? That is the question given. So she has to say I am studying in Gandhi school. So how will she say? मैं गांधी स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. मैं गांधी स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. नेम ऑफ द स्कूल इज गांधी. गांधी स्कूल. Whenever मैं comes who will come. मैं गांधी स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. वनजा तुम कहाँ पढ़ती हो? मैं गांधी स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. So answer for the fourth question is मैं गांधी स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. Fifth question, गाय कहाँ है? गाय means cow. Kaha means where. Hai means is. Where is the cow? So we have to say cow is here. Here means यहाँ. So गाय यहाँ है. Cow is here. गाय कहाँ है? That is the fifth question. You have to write गाय यहाँ है. Cow is here. So answer for the fifth question is गाय यहाँ है. Sixth question. कल अशोक कहाँ जाएगा? So जाएगा is future tense. जाना is to go. So will go. जाएगा. So kal here given is tomorrow. From the grammar we can understand it is future tense and this kal represents tomorrow. That is future. Ashok is a name of a person. Aha means where. Tomorrow where does Ashok go? Ashok will go. That is the question given. We have to write कल कहाँ कल अशोक कहाँ जाएगा? So we have to write Ashok will go to the zoo. Zoo. कल अशोक चिड़ियाघर जाएगा. कल अशोक चेन्नई जाएगा. Chennai means he is going to Chennai. Chennai is the name of the city. कल अशोक चेन्नई जाएगा. That is the answer for the sixth question. कल अशोक कहाँ जाएगा? Where will Ashok go tomorrow? Ashok will go to Chennai. अशोक चेन्नई जाएगा. That is the answer for the sixth question. कल अशोक चेन्नई जाएगा. सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन. इस घर में कितने कमरे हैं? इस घर दिस हाउस में मीन्स इन. कितने मीन्स हाउ मेनी. कमरे रूम्स. So how many rooms are there in this house? That is the question given. Seventh question. इस घर में कितने कमरे हैं? You have to write there are 6 rooms in this house. इस घर में 6 कमरे हैं. इस घर में कितने कमरे हैं? You have to write इस घर में 6 कमरे हैं. Seventh question answer is इस घर में 6 कमरे हैं. In this house there are 6 rooms. Next, eighth question. कल कौन सा दिन है? So what is the date? Tomorrow. So din means day. So kal means tomorrow. What is the day? Tomorrow. That is the question given. कल कौन सा दिन है? We have to write tomorrow is Sunday. So kal, for Sunday we say itwar in Hindi. Ravivar also we can say. Here we will say itwar. कल इतवार का दिन है. कल इतवार है. कल इतवार का दिन है. You can say anything. So eighth question answer is कल इतवार है. Tomorrow is Sunday. कल इतवार है. Tomorrow is Sunday. Ninth question. तुमने मेरे कपड़े कहाँ रखे? तुम you मेरे my कपड़े clothes ड्रेस कहाँ वेयर रखे kept. रखना is to keep. रखे. So where did you keep my clothes? That is the question given. So I have to mention that I have kept your clothes in almirah. So for almirah we say almari in Hindi. So how do we say? I kept your clothes in almari. I am going to say that now. मैंने आपके कपड़े अलमारी में रखे. मैंने आपके कपड़े अलमारी में रखे. I kept your clothes in almirah. तुमने मेरे कपड़े कहाँ रखे? मैंने आपके कपड़े अलमारी में रखे. Answer for the ninth question is मैंने आपके कपड़े अलमारी में रखे। 10th क्वेश्चन, तुम्हारे पिताजी कहाँ काम करते हैं? तुम्हारे your पिताजी father कहाँ where काम means work. Where does your father work? That is the question given. तुम्हारे पिताजी कहाँ काम करते हैं? I am to mention my father works in post office. For post office we say डाकघर in हिंदी. मेरे पिताजी डाकघर में काम करते हैं. मेरे पिताजी डाकघर में काम करते हैं. तुम्हारे पिताजी कहाँ काम करते हैं? मेरे पिताजी डाकघर में काम करते हैं. So answer for the 10th question is मेरे पिताजी डाकघर में काम करते हैं. So now we go to the second question. किन्हीं चार अक्षरों में लिखिए. So they have given the numbers. You have to write the numbers in Hindi. For example, 1 if they give, we have to write 8 in Hindi. Similarly, they have given the other numbers. Let us see. First one, 7 they have given. For 7 we say सात in Hindi. We have to write सात. First one, 7 is given. So answer for that is सात. First question answer is सात. Second one, 11 is given. For 11 we say 11 in Hindi. 11. 11 means 11. We have to write answer second question 11 for 11 in Hindi. Third question, 16 is given. For 16 we say 16. 16 we say. For 16 we say 16 in Hindi. So for answer third question we have to write 16 for 16. Fourth question 25 they've given. For 25 we say 25 in Hindi. So for 25 we have to write the spelling of 25. So answer for the fourth question is 25 for number 25. Fifth question 29. For 29 we have to write 29 in Hindi. 29. 29. So answer for the fifth question is 29. Sixth question 33 they have given. They have to write 33 in Hindi. 33. So we have to write the spelling of 33 for 33. Answer for the sixth question is 33 for 33. Seventh question, number 40 is given. 40 number is given. For 40 we say 40 in Hindi. We say 40 in Hindi for number 40. So answer for the seventh question is 40 for the number 40 in Hindi. Eighth question 46 number is given. For this we say 46. 46. So 6 plus 40, 46. So it is 46. 6 plus 40, 46. So 6 plus 40, 46. So we have to write 6 plus 40, 46. The answer for the eighth question is 46 for the number 46 in Hindi. So you have understood the first part of the question and second part of the question of the model paper Prathmik. We'll see the next part of the question in the next video. Hope you all understood. Once you start understanding and practice the spelling in Hindi, you can write these questions and the letters in Hindi, the sentences in Hindi very easily. Thank you.